Good morning, all of you. I am sure that you are safe and healthy at home with continuing your studies. Under virology, we have discussed with you about hepatitis A and B viruses. Today, I will discuss with you about hepatitis C and E virus. First, hepatitis C virus. Hepatitis C virus cloned in Escherichia coli, E. coli is about 50 to 60 nanometer, having linear single-stranded RNA and genetic material. Hepatitis C virus is an enveloped virus with glycoproteins spikes on their surfaces. WHO estimated that 3% of the world population is infected with hepatitis C virus, and around 170 million individuals are chronic carriers and at a risk of developing liver cirrhosis and liver cancer. Hepatitis C virus is transmitted mainly by transfusion of contaminated blood and blood products. Up to 50% cases of hepatitis C virus are related to intravenous drug users. Those share needles. The risk of sexual and maternal neonatal transmission is very small in the case of hepatitis C virus. The traditional procedures like circumcision, tattooing with contaminated instruments may spread hepatitis C virus in individual to other individual. The incubation period for hepatitis C virus is about 6 to 7 weeks. The clinical illness is mild, usually asymptomatic with high rate of more than 50% cases with chronic hepatitis which may lead liver cirrhosis or liver cancer. The chances to develop into liver cancer is more in alcoholic consumers, and time taken to develop is around 20 years of infection. Hepatitis C virus infection is seen in human beings only. Carriers are the source of infection. The standard method of diagnosis is antibody detection by ELISA method. The polymerase chain reaction PCR is method to develop HCV virus is confirmatory method. Testing donated blood for hepatitis C virus reduces risk of transfusion associated hepatitis C virus for 10 to 1%. It's mean by screening of hepatitis C virus during the procedure of blood transfusion may decrease the risk factor up to 1% from 10%. In India, screening for hepatitis C virus made necessary for all blood banks from 1st July 1997. General prophylaxis like blood screening is possible. No specific active or passive immunization is present till date. Interference is the only drug that is effective in treatment of hepatitis C virus. There are some common complications associated with hepatitis C virus. First is liver cirrhosis, second is hepatocellular carcinoma, HCC, and third is decompensated liver disease requiring liver transplantation. Now we come to the hepatitis E virus. Hepatitis E virus discovered in 1990 is about 29 to 32 nanometer RNA virus. Hepatitis C virus is spherical, non-enveloped. Source of infection are water or food supply contaminated by feces in which virus is excreted. Incubation period for hepatitis E virus is 2 to 9 weeks. After incubation period, a self-limiting viral hepatitis develops which takes few weeks to complete recovery. It's mean in the infection of hepatitis E virus there is complete recovery. The chronic cases are not reported in hepatitis E virus infection. The unique feature of intrauterine infection due to hepatitis C virus during pregnancy causes abortion, intrauterine death of the fetus. The clinical severity and high case of fatality rate that is around 20 to 40% in pregnancy during the third trimester is reported. It's mean during the third trimester of pregnancy, if there is infection of hepatitis E virus, there may be fatality rate up to 20 to 40 percentage. The diagnosis is made by ELISA kits for IgG and IgM antibodies. There is no specific treatment of hepatitis C virus, only supportive measures are required. There is complete recovery in hepatitis C virus infection. There is also no vaccine or specific immunoglobulins prophylaxis are available till death for hepatitis E virus. This was about hepatitis C virus. Please go to notes provided to you. Thanks.